In rare disease, you feel so alone when you're first diagnosed. And to have a facility like this dedicated to rare disease is really uplifting. I think it touches every single patient to know that this is for us. And here we are, we truly are gonna get to the finish line because of facilities just like this and amazing partners like PTC.
This is really an exciting day because we've spent 2 years to get to this point. And it's really the culmination of everything that we've tried to do for the past several years to get ready to manufacture 4 PTC's own gene therapy products. And it's just amazingly exciting.
I think what it means for the people of New Jersey is opportunity. Not only for jobs, for the local area, skilled jobs, but also an opportunity to help people with rare diseases.
Well, it means so many things. It means good jobs, of course. It means it's helpful in the economy, but it also means that we are innovators. We are scientists. We are the providers of life-saving medicine.
I think that it goes back to diagnosis, feeling so alone and realizing you're in a situation completely out of your control. And then new and emerging therapies come along and all of a sudden you feel like you have some control back over your life because there's hope for these new therapies. And it's a really amazing and uplifting feeling to know that there's something out there and that life is not over by any means.
This site is all about getting drugs quickly to patients. We're in control, and being in control allows us to much more rapidly bring products right directly to the patients.
Gene therapy is a key cutting-edge technology in which we'll be able to treat the underlying cause of diseases as a consequence using genetic medicines. And the key to genetic medicines is the capability to be able to manufacture the biological products. So this lets us control our own destiny to not only do the research and science, but also the manufacture of the product for patients. So it's incredibly important for the company. Congrats to the team. It was a tremendous effort. Well done.
Thank you for the work that you do for everyone.
Thank you and welcome to Hopewell Township. We couldn't be happier that you are here. This is an incredible site and the work that you're doing is so important. We really value everything that you do every day to help people who have been really struggling.
Welcome to Hopewell Township. We're delighted to have you here. We are just so thankful that you're here and appreciate the hard work that you do every day on behalf of patients who really count on your work.